What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another vlog, another banger like I mentioned before. Today we are sitting in what might be my biggest detail just yet. It's not just a bakkie, it's a Hilux. So we're leaving it idling just to get the engine warmed up lekker, because I'm going to do the bay first. But this is coming for a full package, interior, exterior, etc. Just take a look. There we go. So we're gonna see what we can do on the headlights. I'm gonna show you guys a product that I've released for the wheels. Gonna do the bay, and because this is 2K paint, it should be pretty okay, pretty simple to make it pop again. I might need to take the whole bar off though, just to obviously get into that nitty-gritty over there, because we're gonna do it properly. But yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to this. Definitely wheel arch cleaning and all that stuff as well. Interior, it's pretty fresh for what it is. It's got just over 250 on the clock. Interior is really nice, well kept. But we're gonna get it good. We're gonna get it going. So while everything warms up in front, I'm gonna go set up, and then we can start on the bay. So let's actually take a look at what the bay looks like. I don't know what it looks like just yet. I'm going into this completely blind, let's say. So that was the wrong one. That was a fuel cap. So that needs to be open anyways, as part of the pre-oil. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. Here we go. Should be fun. Should be real fun. Ethan's in the vlogs, guys. Hi vlog. Ethan's interior support and exterior. Ethan's here today as well. This is going to be a long job. Yes, sir. It is at temp. What we're gonna do right here is go back, way back into time. Oh, my fingers are getting numb. That means it's a strong trigger. What rhymes with trigger? For the figure. Dirty magic people. What we're going to use the pressure washer for is just this section. You can see the base already looking quite a ton better. Not just here. As you watch this in your face. And the motor is all cleaned up. We'll come to dry it with the compressor and do all the coatings afterwards. Next up, we can handle the interior, wheels, exterior, and then this needs to come off to the bumpers, decontaminate and prep for polish, and then the headlights too. So while we wait for Ethan to get back, I've got a little product for you guys that I've released. It's called Rim Job. And what we're going to do is we're just going to use it on these wheels. It's safe to use on the paint as well. And that's obviously after everything, but you only want to use it on paint when you're doing a full decontamination. So we're going to do it after the wash, so there won't be any iron in the paint. We're going to come this side. Now work it in a bit. There you can see it pre-rinse, just sprayed down. Purple's already faded, but it is all decontaminated. Now I'm going to take the pressure washer, we're going to rinse it off. So that was left for like 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to go. And that is all pre-contact. Nice and clean already. Okay, so the wheels are done, and wow, this is running on the inside for the fans and everything and clearing all that out because Ethan just got back with it. We're gonna dry out the bay with the compressor, so let's go pop this inside quickly. It's as simple as this car doesn't lock. I've seen that now. Okay, you ready? Start. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on all the way. Aircon doesn't have to be on, but we can press recirculate over there. Windows are all closed. And what we're gonna do is take this, just gonna pop it in here, and we're safe. She's running in the middle of there. Gonna clean out the entire interior, make that cabin filters and everything smell. Mwah. Thank you, sir. Come on. Yeah, you see what I'm taking. We've got. Oh, we don't unalive Ethan. Let's put the that way in the vlog. So the bumper's off now. It actually looks really funny without the ball bars off. But yeah, as you can see, why I wanted to take it off was all that stuff is a bit difficult to get to, and we need to polish that as well to make it. So let's get started. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use sandpaper. I might just use like a heavy grit on these headlights. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is first reaction. Here we go. The one that I just done a cut on compared to. Oh my flip! Yo, hectic, my bro. Okay, so I just popped the headlights on. Before. Let me just focus on it. Turn that down. There we go. You can actually see it's a most difference. Yes. Wowie. We got Ethan working this interior. Yes, sir. Okay, so while Ethan's busy with that, I'm gonna do the door cards and stuff because we want the interior to be done and let it dry while we focus on the exterior. So let's hit that quickly. Okay, while we finish up this interior, it's actually looking pretty decent already. It was pretty nice, but you know, we're gonna make it nicer. As you can see, even in here by the storage points, we are gonna put my phone on charge quickly because it's about to die. Standing procedure at this point. So yeah, I forgot to, I didn't charge it properly last night. My bad. So yeah, I will update you guys when this is done and my phone's done charging. Should be good. Should be good. Okay, the interior we're gonna let settle and dry and whatnot. Let's take a quick lunch break. Oh, your plastic panels looking like a fresh. Now I'm just gonna do this section quickly. Probably vacuum out here, and I might take. We got a vacuum inside here too. Before we wash. And we got Ethan on the mats. Yes, sir. Lovely. So I got the back all done now, and I'm just gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna do like a deep vac on the inside here as well. Not supposed to be perfect, it wasn't supposed to be clean, but like at least, yeah, for me. Couldn't get the canopy off though, so I don't know what I'm gonna do between the canopy or that section there, but we'll figure it out, I guess. Smells definitely out now. Okay, so the interior is done. All the mats are busy drying. As you can see over here, lekker, fresh, super clean. Even this is done, so we're letting everything sit now. I must move the backy back a little. The backy back a little. So that we're away from everything that Ethan's doing in front because he's gonna be busy on the seat. So I'm gonna move this back, and then we can foam him up. Start scrubbing. Should be simple. Seeing as that this is everybody's favorite part. There we go. I'm seeing as that this is everybody's favorite part. Let me just add this at least. You know, it's a light one, you know. you go. All the dirt stripping right off, most of it. And we're gonna do a rinse, and then we will do the contact wash. Then it is dry, then it is polish, and then it is coating of everything. Yeah. Still young before, clean but flat paint. And young before of Ethan, before he starts sweating. Doing the leather key over there. Yes sir. Lisa! Lisa's the real. Hello. Lisa's in the vlog, guys. She was very nice. That's you might want to pause the song. So Lisa's in the vlog now, guys, and she brought Ethan and myself some Red Bulls and some pies. And I was like, this is random. She's like, no, you guys are working in the sun all day. So how can you not eat them? Thank you, man. Thank you, Lisa. We love Lisa. Yo, we've been busy on this now since 8 o'clock this morning, and I only got to the outside of the wash now. It is 1 o'clock. So yeah, fun times. The weather's paint is shining now with the water on it. That's how I want it to shine when it's done, because it's 2K paint, so we'll see how close we can get it. Okay, so we've dried the bakkie once. Now it's going to be polished, then rinsed, then dry again. Then rinsed, then ceramic, then rinsed, then dry again. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to get it out of the sun as much as I can. Now Ethan gets to the last bits of these corners over here, because yeah, not nice. I don't want to keep that there. You can hear it's reasonably okay, but not supposed to sound like that. Sandpaper in my hands aren't that rough. So onto the clay bar. We got some detail use clay loop, and it's essentially just soapy water. Into the clay bar and then wipe off, and then we can start on the polish, maybe do, but that way. You can literally, if you come close enough, you can hear it picking up. So it's smoother, and then so I mean, oh my flip, so yes, that is impressive. But because there's so much contamination, I'm gonna have to take that in. Now we are to the polishing process. So I'll show you guys the end result. But you can see how flat the paint is now, and then I'll show you guys afterwards. Got a young before, and I'm gonna come up here and look at the glistening. Woo! Okay, so now you can see how hydrophobic the paint is after the polish and everything. Nice and hydrophobic, everything rinsed off. Now we're just gonna give it like a dry off, and then all the trimming and the tires, and the car can go back to the client. Like a farce. And the headlights are done. Eddie's here, and Zaki's in town, and Ethan is sweating. Ethan changed color, guys. Ethan changed color from the sun today. Okay, so Ethan's gonna do the tire shine quickly, 12-hour detail. We are in the finishing stages. Look at that paint came out. We're gonna get it outside now with Eddie's car out. I'm gonna move that out of the way and get into the road, and make it look pretty. But yo, it came out really nice. There we go. Bay is all clean. We love to see it.